I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning.
Thank you for tuning in. So in this video, I'll share some tips about ways to organize your ideas when you're writing. The first way to organize your ideas when writing is to draft an outline. And your outline would consist of information that you want to include within your story, such as your title, your characters, the environment, the theme, and the conclusion, and whatever other information you want to include within your story, you'd include within your outline. Another thing to think about when organizing your ideas for your writing is the who, what, when, where, and why. So the who would be your characters and people within the story. What would be your theme and plot and what's happening within the story. When is the time frame and the setting. So is your story taking place during medieval time or modern day? Where is the environment and where your story is happening? Is it taking place in a city environment, a country environment, a home, or a school? And your why would be why your story is happening, and that could also relate to conflict that might exist within your story. Is there conflict amongst the characters, or is there conflict amongst the characters and the environment? So again, you're thinking about the who, what, when, where, and why when you're organizing your ideas for a story. Happy writing!
You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring.